नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बअद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू to everyone. First of all, I would like to thank that Madrasa Darul Ulum Ghozia gave me such a golden opportunity to deliver an Islamic speech in front of you. I would like to talk about some auspicious occasions on this Shab-e Barat, some battles of Islam and some peaceful messages of love. So let's start. I want to address my youths of Muslim Ummah, those who are lost, those who are misguided, those who have been brainwashed, those who have been given totally a wrong perception and conception of Islamic teachings, and they consider that fighting against humanity, fighting against non-combatant Muslims is their duty. I want to send them a message. By for the sake of Almighty Allah, by for the sake of Holy Quran, by for the sake of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam's sunnah, come back to normal life. Whatever you are doing, that's totally against Islam. Islam is just about peace. Islam is just about love. Islam is just about accommodation. Islam is just about mutual trust. Islam is just about mutual respect. Islam is just about a dialogue, culture of a dialogue. Islam has nothing to do. It may be any kind of terrorism. It may be in any form. It may be in any kind. We reject every act of terrorism that is from Islam. Genghis Khan, he was the ruler of the Mughal Empire. Tatmuz, he was the ruler of the Egyptian Empire. Darius, he was the ruler of the Persian Empire. Alexander, he was the ruler of the Macedonia Empire. Napoleon, he was the ruler of the French Empire. Shane, he was the ruler of the Chinese Empire. Attila, he was the ruler of the Hunnic Empire. Julius, he was the ruler of the Republic of Roman Empire. And from amongst the companions, there was a soldier, there was a commander, there was a conqueror. He crushed the superpowers of his time. He crushed the Persian Empire. He crushed the Roman Empire. He crushed the Egyptian Empire. He crushed the Mughal Empire. Allahu Akbar. He conquered Iraq. He conquered Iran. He conquered Jordan. He conquered Armenia. He conquered Syria. The undefeated commander, the undefeated ruler, the undefeated conqueror, the undefeated soldier, the undefeated warrior. He crushed the superpowers of his time. He the sword from the swords of Allah Azza wa Jalla. This is Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu.
नारे तकबीर, नारे रिसालत, नारे गौसियत, मसलकी आला हजरत दारुल उलूम गौसिया, जश्न दस्तारबंदी, फैज़ान शब-ए बारात. सुभान अल्लाह.
Open the books of history, then you will come to an understanding the many gangsters, mafias, mobsters, rulers, generals, commanders, conquerors, fighters, warriors have come and gone. Some they were known for their plan of attack. Some they were known for their ploy. Some they were known for their tactics. Some they were known for their leadership. Some they were known for their military expectations. And those guys who wanna be gangsters, clubbing, pumping pills, open the books of history, then you will come to understanding. But in the sight of the King of all kings, the master of the day of judgment, the one, the only Allah, the Almighty, these guys are more like a mosquito sting. And this is why those guys who want to be gangsters, clubbing, pumping pills, no fast, no prayer, no nothing, you jack people, you beat people, you tease people, you rob people. Fear Allah, fear Allah, fear Allah. And if you don't fear Allah, then wait for the punishment of Allah to say. Assalamu alaikum.